Hello everyone, my name is Noah, and today we're going to check out the Jayco Pinnacle at Valley RV Supercenter. Let's go have a look. Over here, we have a mini fridge, sink, electricity, bottle opener, where you can cook, stove, and where you can put all your food to ditch out. Over here, you have all your storage when you're going to go driving and camp out. And then over here, we have your outdoor TV, set up some chairs and watch. And then right above us, we have the front living room and a 1.5 bath on the inside. Let's go have a look in the inside. So as we walk in, we have our very sturdy stairs and railing. When you walk in, you have this beautiful handrail. And then as you walk up, you have tons of storage, plenty of storage, a TV, and an amazing bedroom where you can charge your phones right both there, on both sides of the bed. When you come over here, you don't have one sink, but you have two fancy sinks, 2 mirrors, 10 out of 10 bathroom. We have a shower right here. Very fancy shower. You can sit down, use the shower head. You can use the shower head. So many different ways you can shower. And then as you walk out, there's a seat right here to sit down, tie your shoes, put your shoes on. Then as you come down, it only gets better from here. Right here we have another bathroom, in case you're too lazy to go to that bathroom. Now right here, we have our sink. And then the best part, there's a dishwasher. You don't have to wash your dishes by hand. You have a dishwasher. Then right here, you have your microwave, stove, grill. And then right here, dining room table. And if you don't want the table right here, you can move it right here or all the way down there. Move that chair right here, anywhere you want. Fully customizable. And now we have another fancy rail, more stairs, and you come up here. There's not one TV right here, but there's another TV right here. So you could watch while you're doing the dishes, while you're making food, while you're eating. Then you come up here, and this is the lounge, the living room. The best part, we have another TV on that side, double TV. And this also lowers down, so you can just have a countertop right here. We have a campfire so you can stay warm in the winter. And then we have 1, 2, 3 couches. And then these two right here are fancy. You can lounge back. It has a massage and a heater. And it has lights on the bottom right here. So if it's dark, you can watch TV and also have some lights. And then I have one more thing to show you outside. Come back down the fancy stairs, through the amazing kitchen. Right here next to the storage, we have a Bluetooth, and right here is the speaker. So all you have to do is click the Bluetooth button, power it on, and then take your phone out or any device, and you can hook it up and play some music outside while you're grilling, doing whatever. Again, I'm Noah. You can buy this at Valley RV Supercenter in Kent. Let's Jayco.